episode of Stamp Time with Miss Jane. Today I'm going to show you a rather easy gift card holder ready for Christmas. And I'm going to show you how to get 2 out of 1 sheet of A4 cardstock, and they're going to both have a different look. So let's go. I'm going to be using products from the July to December 2021 mini catalogue. And I have my favourite Be Jolly Santa and the Holly Jolly Wishes for sentiments, and some little pieces out of the Merriest Moments bundle. And also I'm using the returning Heartwarming Hugs Designer Series paper. Okay, so you'll find all of those in my online store if you're interested. The link's below if you would like to have a little crafty shop. So, bringing in my trimmer and an A4 sheet of Mossy Meadow cardstock. Now, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to make 2 score marks and then chop her in half, and that is super simple to make 2 gift card holders. I'm going to do my first score at 6.5 centimeters and the next one at 14.9, just before the 15 mark, and that is half of the A4 score line. Turn it round long ways, and we're going to chop it 10.5 up the top, and here you go. 2 gift card holders is what we're going to produce. So we're going to fold that in half, and this one in half, and with this one in half, and in half again. Rightio. Now I have some decorations, so I'll just move that so you can see better. But I have, okay, for the first layer that's going on, I have 2 pieces. These are real red, 2 at 6 centimeters by 10 centimeters, and 1 at 7.6 by 10 centimeters, and a basic white piece 7.6 by 10, so the same. Then I have the designer series papers that I want to put on these real red pieces, and they are 5.5 by 9.5, 5.5 by 9.5, 7.1 by 9.5, and we don't want any for that piece. Okay, so, and I'll show you the other one. I've glued these ones on, so you've got the same but different. So a whisper white first piece, first layer, and the second layer in the stripy from the Heartwarming Hugs Designer Series paper. Okay, so I'll go ahead and show you where we're going to pop these on at. Okay, so this folded in first piece is going to be this one. So I'll grab some multi-purpose liquid glue, and I'll go ahead and pop these pieces on. We'll fast forward the video for you so you don't need to watch me gluing pieces down, because that's, you know, not very exciting stuff. close so that we can kind of line up that we're going to get that in a bit of water there, just like so. Okay, now before I go ahead and seal where my gift card's going to go, I want to come in with a 1-inch circle punch, which I still own. These are now no longer available through Stampin' Up, but I have one, so I'm going to use it. If you don't have one though, you can use the Layering Circles dies and use your smallest one. And you just need to run that through the Stampin' Cut Emboss machine. So you can do it simply either way. It's not tricky at all. So I'm going to, I want to go halfway in between somewhere and just make a little finger notch so that we can get the card in and out. So about halfway. Give it a good punch. Okie dokie. And that will provide a space for me to be able to pull this in and out of. Now, with this piece, we only want to glue or tape the very sides. So I will use some tear and tape for that. So just to the very side so that we can still get plenty of room for the gift card to go. Okay, and now to decorate the front of this. So for this version, I'm going to be using the Merry Christmas to You out of Holly Jolly Wishes. So stamping that in Mossy Meadow ink and then cutting that out with the Layering Circles dies. And I have gone ahead and prepared that for us. And it will sit right here. Now, with this card, I'll show you what the trick is. We're going to only put dimensionals on the right-hand side of the words. Okay, because we want to be able to get into this part of the card. I'm going to pop on my Merry Christmas to You, and just to give it a little bit more, I'm going to make some holly from the Merriest Moments stamp set. So the holly and the leaves, and the Merriest frames to die cut the leaf and the berries. And I've gone ahead already and stamped those in Real Red and Old Olive. I've obviously cut turtles out of this scrap piece of paper. Look at your scrap piece of paper. Just use every bit of it. And I've gone ahead and I do have my holly and berries ready. Now, I have a dimensional on the back of the leaf because I want that popped up. But on the berry, I don't want that to stick up. So I'm just going to pop a glue dot on the back of the berry just to give it a bit of extra stick, and take the tape off the back of that, and I think I will sit that around about there. So that will be on the right hand side as well, and then this slips out from behind the circle. And you pop your gift card in there, and you can write a message on this white piece just here, and that is a pretty easy gift card holder. And now I'll show you how I finished off my other version. Okay, so we have this one, and now for the other piece, tape on this piece, and this is also the piece that I'm going to take my 1-inch circle punch or my dies and punch a finger notch out of and tape that only on the two sides. Okay, stripy stripes. Sticking on the second piece so that we can line up where we want that to go so that it lines up nicely. And now I have stamped the basic white piece in real red with the Season's Greetings out of Merriest Moments stamp set. Now when this is, oh look, we've got a gift card we can pop in this one. Okay, when this one's closed, I've used my Christmas favorite, Be Jolly, the cutest Santa, and I have pre-colored him in all his cuteness, and bit of Winker Stella for his hat and his pom-pommy bit and his sleeves. And that is only dimensionals on the right hand side. And we'll pop him down on here. And again, can just get it out. And you see the Season's Greetings at the bottom. I like that you see that Season's Greetings just there when that's open. But you've got a cute Santa and you've got a more traditionally is a word. You've got a more traditional and a cute Santa. And look, they're very simple. And you get the two out of the one piece of A4 cardstock. Such a great little way to give your gift cards out. And you can use this same design and make birthday ones or wedding ones or any occasion. So I do hope you like these. I think he's just adorable. He is my favorite. And I do like this one. He looks like he's dancing. He's just too gorgeous. Too gorgeous. He's my favorite Santa. Now I will list the measurements and the products that I've used for these two gift card holders in the description box below. And if you've got any queries, please reach out to me. And thank you for spending some time with me today. Until next time, keep smiling, keep stamping. Bye.